Hi guys, I'm Johnny and welcome to my channel. In today's video, I am so excited because I'm going to show you how to make a no-bake s'mores pie. So I have like 3 years wanting to make a s'more dessert in this channel, and today is the day that I'm going to make it finally. I love s'mores. So today I'm going to show you how to make a pie, a no-bake one. I think I already mentioned that, but just in case I didn't. So this is so delicious and I know you will love it. So let's get started. So guys, we're gonna start by making our graham crust. So in a bowl, I'm going to go ahead and add my graham cracker crumbs that I put it in a Ziploc bag and bash it down with the rolling pin until it's nice and crumbly. So to that, I'm going to go ahead and add some melted butter. I'm gonna take my spatula and I'm gonna mix everything together until it has the consistency of wet sand. After that, we're gonna place it on a 9-inch pie pan, and I'm going to smooth everything out until it covers the entire surface. Once your pie crust is done, we're gonna place it into the fridge until you're ready to use it. So now let's make the chocolate mixture for this. So I'm making like a chocolate pudding. It is so tasty. So in a heavy bottom saucepan over medium heat, I'm going to go ahead and add some half and half. Half and half is just half milk and half cream. So I'm just going to add that in there. I'm also going to go ahead and add some chocolate. I am using milk chocolate and bittersweet chocolate. Also, you're going to go ahead and add some sugar, and you're going to mix everything together. Bring this mixture to a simmer until the chocolate is nice and melted. Once it's nice and melted, you're going to go ahead and stir everything together until it is dissolved. Now we're going to go ahead and add a mixture of cornstarch and water that I have here. This will be our thickening agent because we want this mixture to be nice and thick. So I'm going to add in there, mix everything together, and I'm going to cook it there until it is nice and thick. Once this is nice and thick, we're going to go ahead and add some vanilla extract, and we're going to mix everything and take it off the heat. We're going to pour this over our prepared crust and smooth everything out. I'm going to cover it with plastic wrap, and I'm going to place it into the fridge for a minimum of 4 hours or until it's nice and set. And for the marshmallow filling topping, what I'm going to do, I'm just going to melt some marshmallow in the microwave, but you can use marshmallow fluff, anything that you want, or you can even put the whole marshmallow and toast it, but I really like the melted marshmallow on top. And what I'm going to do, if you don't have a blowtorch, you can put it under the broiler like a few minutes until it's nice and toasted. But since I have a blowtorch, this is the only reason I bought a blowtorch, was to make this dessert. So what I'm going to do, I'm just going to toast it until everything is nice and golden brown on top, and after that, just cut yourself a piece and enjoy. This tastes like heaven. It is so tasty. I really hope you get to try it because it is amazing. So guys, I really hope that you enjoyed my recipe for no-bake s'more pie. It is so tasty. The recipe will be in the description box. I really hope you get to try it. Give me a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel.